Wedding season is coming up, with those newlyweds prepared in their new home so that when emergencies come, they have a little bit more of a sense of security. So I wanted to jump on really quickly because I'm about to go visit my daughter and her husband. They've just been married now for about 3 weeks. And, while those blue Tiffany boxes, gift boxes, and all the air fryers and everything else are nice gifts for newlyweds, I am about to take them something a little more practical, a starter preparedness kit that I am putting together for them. So really quickly, I want to show you what I'm going to put together. And this is great for newlyweds because wedding season is coming up. And yes, if you give newlyweds a box of preparedness items, they may look at you kind of side-eyed, but during their first power outage, they're going to thank you. So what I put together for my daughter and her new husband is a solar power flashlight. This is really cool. This is not just a flashlight. It's an AM/FM weather band radio. It also has USB ports, so they can charge cell phones and things like that with this, as long as the flashlight is charged. I'm also giving them some of these little camping lights. These are great for hanging around, and they're pretty bright. You might not be able to see how bright they are now because I'm in a lit room, but I'm giving them a couple of those. And then also some food, some granola bars, and as well as some chili and a can of pork and beans, and then some ready-to-cook rice. I have these packets of ready-to-cook rice. I think I actually picked these up at the Dollar Tree. And, rice is great to have, but I don't know if they know how to cook rice. So these ready-to-cook packets are perfect for newlyweds. Also, I am giving them a 140-piece first aid kit filled with Band-Aids, your antibiotic creams, everything you need for a starter first aid kit. Here's a close-up of just a few of the items I'll be gifting the newlyweds in their starter emergency preparedness kit. My daughter was happy to receive her new emergency supplies. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, if you stayed till the end, go ahead and subscribe and click like, and I'll see you on the next video.